What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we cut out these circles right here, so now we actually have to inlay these guys, and this is all part of the process of building this London tube sign. So what we have to do is we actually have to create the entire sign that those are going to be inlaid into. So we decided on this piece of walnut right here, so we got to go ahead and cut this thing down to size and then resaw the board and then glue those boards together so we have a big enough area to actually inlay those pieces into. So we're going to get into the process right now. Should be pretty fun.
Now that we got the board all resawed and sanded, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I set up my bandsaw to cut this and to sand it, because, well, we need to make sure these are perfect, and they are perfect, and I'm gonna show you guys what I use to accomplish this. Well, this is my resaw blade. It's a 3 teeth per inch blade, and it's also 3/4 inches wide, and it makes the perfect cut. So over here at the drum sander, what I use is an 80 grit sandpaper. It's perfect for any sand. So right now, what we gotta do is grab both those panels, grab some clamps, and, well, we need some glue, so we can put a bead of glue on those pieces, clamp them together, and we'll be on our way. Tracing out this circle onto this piece of walnut, and what we're going to be doing is taking this piece and inlaying inside of this walnut. By doing that, I'm going to be using a chisel and a router, and, well, my router base plate is very small and it's going to be very difficult to cut this out, so we're going to be making a new one out of a piece of plexi, and it's going to be about 15 inches by 12 inches. It's pretty big, and we're going to be using this as a template.
So to start off with sketching out our design here for our router base plate, we're going to start with a piece of plexiglass, and it's just going to be a rectangle, nothing too fancy. We're going to be cutting 12 inches from end to end over here, and then for the longer side, we're going to be doing 15 inches, and that again is from end to end. Now obviously we're going to need to bolt down our router, so we're going to be drilling out 1/4 inch holes, and we're going to be doing 4 of those right there so we can bolt it out nice and tight. And for the center, it's going to be 1.5 inch hole, and that's going to be for our router bit.
So that new router base plate is all attached to my router. What we're going to be doing now is grabbing our chisel and outlining that pencil mark that I traced out on the walnut piece, and then we're going to be taking our router and cutting out all that material so that Paduke circle can be inlaid perfectly inside that walnut.
So we got our circles all inlaid here, and that router base worked out great. Using that plexiglass, putting the whole thing together, made a really sweet cut here, and we got these things popped inside pretty easily. And next video is going to be pretty insane. We're going to be cutting this thing up some more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for that video. Drop a like down on this one if you enjoyed it, but just like that, this video is over.
Click subscribe!